In this episode of I Tried It, I'm going to be showing you how much I actually earned from reading emails online. This particular one that I tested is from the channel called Cash Pro, where it claims that you can make $2 per email you read. So I followed and did everything he asked us to do in this video.
If you read one email, you will earn $2. If you read 10 emails, you may get paid over $20. People from Russia, Canada, Pakistan, South Africa, Brazil, Kenya, and different countries around the world. Withdrawing over $2, over $6, and even over $10 every minute from this website by just opening and reading emails. So here, you can get paid to read emails worldwide and from any country around the world.
So I'll be revealing to you my results and giving you my honest feedback and review about this side also. But before then, please like this video so other people can see it and know that what these people are asking us to do is not worth trying. It saves someone out there from wasting his or her time by liking this video, and while you're at it, click on the subscribe button. Subscribe, because what I do on this channel is I help you filter out from the numerous method of making money online by trying out different method of making money online, and I come over here to share with you my results and giving you my honest feedback and review about this side also, whether or not you should give it a shot. Subscribe so whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first to watch it and find out whether or not what these people are asking us to do is true or they are pouring out lies, so you don't keep wasting your precious time. So I'll be giving you 1 second to like and subscribe. So if you have done that, head over to the comment section and type in I have subscribed so I can welcome you specially. Thanks for subscribing. So let's proceed to the business of today. So as you can see right here, the first thing you are expected to do is to sign up into this website. So what you are required to do is to put in your name, your email address, your password, and then you click on the sign up button. As soon as you click on the sign up button, it brings you to this page where you are required to fill out this form. So you fill out this form with the necessary credentials, and then once you are done filling the form out, you go ahead and click on I am not a robot. Then you go further to click on sign me up. So once you click on sign me up, you get an you get a prompt. You get a prompt in your email that will request you to activate your account. So once you click here, once you click on this area, it brings you back to this website and you receive a thank you for activating your account. So this is how the platform looks like. And once you scroll down, when you scroll down, you find out that there are different methods you can earn from this platform, not just to read email alone. You can take surveys, you can you can earn points and so on. You can also read emails. So our major focus today is to read email. So we are going to go ahead to click on the read email page to read email. So once you click on this page to read email, it brings you to this page. So as you can see, it shows that your inbox is empty. So this is where you are supposed to be receiving emails from. It shows that you've not gotten any email yet because you've not gotten any email yet because you are new to the platform. So you are required to wait for certain amount of time before you can get an email. So I think I waited for a couple of hours, close to about 24 hours before I could get my first email. So I kept searching and hovering around the website until I saw the email the following day after signing up. So when I got the email, I headed over to the website and then I saw the emails lined up in my inbox. So I tapped on, so when you tap on the email, when you tap here, it allows you to read the email. So you tap on it and then it redirects you to another website where you will be allowed to read emails. So this is how it looks like at times. Then once it takes you there, you can hover your mouse around it, or if you are using a phone, you can just stay in the site for some couple of minutes for, let's say, 2 minutes, then you click out. So once you click out and you go check your balance, you can see that you have earned 2 points and you've also earned 2 cents. I repeat, you earn 2 cents. So that's the amount I got from reading one email, as opposed to what Cash Pro channel told us about earning $2 per email. So instead of earning $2 per email, I was getting 2 cents per email I read. That's kind of strange, right? So when you come over here, you can see how much I actually earned on this website. So I've been on this website for over 2 weeks now, and I've gotten over 20 emails from this website. So that's why I accumulated up to this amount that you are seeing on the screen. I actually got the $3 was from the sign up bonus. Once you sign up into this website, you get a $3 sign up bonus. So adding the sign up bonus of $3 to the $76 that I have accumulated from this website, it gives me $3.76. That meaning I've gotten about 30 something. I've gotten about close to 40 emails from this website as at the time I'm shooting this video. Let's say I want to cash out. I clicked on request payment. Once you request payment, as you can see right here, it says that you cannot request for payment until you get to the threshold of $15. So you must get to the $15 threshold before you can withdraw from this website. That's my number one red flag. Aside from the fact that Cash Pro promised us of earning $2 from each email we read, my second observation from this website is the high withdrawal threshold. So when you click on request payment, you find out that you can only withdraw this money only when it gets to $15. So I think these people know what they are doing. They set the withdrawal threshold this high so that it will make it much difficult for people to be able to reach this threshold and keep staying on their platform for reasons best known to them. Just imagine earning 2 cents per email you read and you get just 3 emails per day. That means you are earning 6 cents per day. So how much will you accumulate and how long will it take you to be able to reach this $15 threshold that is required of you to be able to cash out from this application? So I leave that up to the mathematician in the house to do the calculation and give us feedback in the comment section. Although there are other methods you can make money from this website, you can do surveys or accumulate points from playing games and so on. But each time I click and try to take survey, I get this prompt telling me that there are no surveys available at the moment, that I should try out later. So this prompt kept coming up. I see this as a scam and a total waste of time. That's my opinion. I have not seen where they talked about the withdrawal process from this website. I've not seen where they spoke about how to withdraw this money, even though you manage to get to the said $15 threshold. So for me, it's not worth the time. Cannot recommend this for anyone to try out. So that's it for this video. If you found value from this video, like the video and hit the subscribe button so you will be the first to watch it and know whether or not you should try out the particular method of making money online. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.